Hello, guys. I just realized that I haven't shown you guys how I constructed my chicken house, how I did it. So this is how I did it. Yeah. So when you look at it, uh, it's a it's a very small chicken house, but um, because we are located I'm located in a rural area, and for that matter, I I was very careful with the construction. I didn't send it too far from the whole house. It's not far from the house. So these are the houses, and I actually use some old zinc to do the construction. So um this is how it is. I use these sticks to do the fencing. I did the fencing around it um to prevent, yeah, as a biosecurity measure. Yeah. And the entire house is measured 12 by 26. So the width is 26 feet, and the 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 length is 26 feet, and the width is 12 feet. Yeah. So that's 12 by 26 feet. So the length 26, the width 12. Yeah. So that's how I did it. And as you can see, this is my quarantine station for the best. Yeah. So I made this. So these roasters were among them, so I have to separate them. I sold some, and I also used some for pepper soup. Yeah, or how do you call it? Yeah. And it's left with this one. Yeah. So maybe if you want it, you can let me know and I will give it to you. Yeah. So I use this as a quarantine. If a bird is sick, I will just come and put it here and take care of it. Yes. So entirely, this is how the house is. And when you are entering, uh, the fence I made, I say this is a foot bath. I've made foot bath before you enter inside. There's a foot bath, and when you are to enter inside the room, there's another foot bath, as you can see. So for me, I'm very cautious of biosecurity, and no one enters the house except me and then my assistant. When I'm not around, most of the time I'm not around, he's the one who has been managing the whole thing. So uh nobody enters there aside us. And these things are our the what we wear inside. So this clothes we wear this only this inside the house, and whenever we come we change it. We change into this, and then we go inside. And when we are off, we change into a different clothes. So, and we don't send slippers inside, even with the um uh before you enter through the fence, you remove your sandals. Yeah. So that one alone prevent people from not trying to enter. And we have security, like we have light bulbs in the night. The whole place is bright, and yeah. So that is it. This is how I did my construction, and everything is good, and we are good. Yeah. So if you have any question or you want to clarify some things, just let me know and I will give you feedback on that. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Bye bye.